Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1909, the Reverend Edmund Ruffin Jones accepted the call to serve as rector of Bruton Parish Church. This week in 1920, an 18th century Bible was discovered in an attic in Pittsburgh. Mrs. Lattice, who possessed the Bible, wrote to the Virginia Gazette seeking information about the Druitt and Holloway families, who resided in York County in the 1790s. Their family genealogy had been recorded by hand on the first few pages of the Bible. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.